Hi everybody, welcome back. So in this video, I'll share some designing tips regarding guidelines using CorelDraw, a designing program to help you design here. So a guideline that appears when you drag any area on the left side ruler is a line that helps you to position your shapes so that they look aligned with each other like so. But the edges are not touching the guideline. To do this, so that the guideline has this magnetic effect, is to click on the guideline carefully and then click on snap to guidelines, and then when you do it again and then you do it just like this, the edges, the cursor will automatically detect the guideline, and then the edges that you created from the shape that you created will touch the guidelines as well. If you want to do a horizontal guideline, drag the upper ruler, any area of the upper part ruler, just like this. For example, you do it like this, and then you do it like this, and then when you create the shapes, these rectangles, the rectangles will stick with the guidelines. These are the areas created by the guidelines, and that's it about guidelines in CorelDraw. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, but for me, it's good day. Ciao!